Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Vivek's Math Class. Today in this class I am going to solve exercise 1.3 problems. So before starting this class, if you are not subscribed this channel, please do subscribe, press the like button and share the link to all your friends. Third question. In an arithmetic progression, first one, given a is equal to 5, d is equal to 3, an is equal to 50, find n and sn. Here in this question, we have to calculate the value of n and sn. Let us solve this problem. Solution. To calculate the value of n, first we should write the formula of nth term of an arithmetic progression. That is, we have an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now let us substitute all these values to this formula. The value of an is 50 is equal to value of a is 5 plus n minus 1 into value of d is 3. Therefore 50 is equal to 5 plus 3 into n, 3n, plus into minus minus, 3 ones are 3. That is 50 is equal to 3n plus 5 minus 3, we get plus 2 as the answer. Now let us shift this plus 2 to the left side. It becomes minus 2. That is 50 minus 2, which is equal to 3n is equal to 50 minus 2, we get 48. Therefore n is equal to 48 divided by 3. That is n is equal to 3 ones are 3, 3 16s are 48. That is value of n is 16. Now we have to find the value of sn. For that, first we should write formula, that is sum of first n terms formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here 2a plus n minus 1 into d can be, here 2a can be written as a plus a, and this as it is, that is n minus 1 into d. Here this a plus n minus 1 into d is nothing but an, so we can also write it as a plus an. That is sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d can also be written as a plus an. A plus an. That is, let us substitute all the values. N value is 16. Yes, 16 is equal to 16 by 2 into value of a is 5 and the value of an is 50. Yes, 16 is equal to 2 ones are 2, 2 8s are 16. That is 8 into 50 plus 5, we get 55. Multiplying 55 and 8, we get the value of S16, that is 8 5 are 40, 0 4 carry, 8 5 are 40 plus 4, 44. The value of S16 is 440. This is the answer. Next, second one, given A is equal to 7, A13 is equal to 35, find D and S13. Solution. Here given A is equal to 7, A13 is equal to 35, and here the value of n is, this is the value of n, that is n is equal to 13. Now let us write the formula for nth term of an AP, that is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now let us substitute all these values, that is a 13 is equal to, value of a is 7 plus value of n is 13 minus 1 into value of d we have to calculate. Here value of A13 is 35. 35 is equal to 7 plus 13 minus 1, 12. 12 into d. Now let us shift this plus 7 to the left side. This becomes 12d is equal to 35 plus 7 becomes minus 7. That is 12 into d is equal to 35 minus 7, we get 28. Then d is equal to 28 divided by 12, that is equal to d is equal to, that is d is equal to 4 3s are 12, 4 7s are 28, that is d is equal to 7 by 3. This is the value of common difference. Now we have to calculate the value of Sn. First we should write formula. We have Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an. Now let us substitute all these values to this formula. Value of n is 13, that is S13 is equal to 13 divided by 2 into value of a is 7 plus value of an is 35. Therefore S13 is equal to 13 by 2 into 35 plus 7 is equal to 42. Now 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, that is S13 is equal to 13 into 21. Now we have to multiply 21 and 13. 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, that is 273. Value of S13 is 273. This is the answer. Next, third question. Given A12 is equal to 37, D is equal to 3, find A and S12. Solution. Here A12 is equal to 37 and value of n is, this is the value of n, that is n is equal to 12, and then d is equal to 3. Now we have to calculate the first term. let us write the formula of n term of an AP, that is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here a value of n is 12, a 12 is equal to value of a is we have to calculate plus value of n is 12 minus 1 into value of d is 3. Here a12 is nothing but 37. 37 is equal to a plus 12 minus 1 11. 11 into 3 gives 33. That is a is equal to, let us shift this plus 33 to the left side, it becomes minus 33. That is a is equal to 37 minus 33 gives 4. This is the first term. Now we have to calculate the value of S12. For that, first we should write the formula of sum of first n terms, that is Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an. Therefore value of n is 12, which is equal to 12 by 2 into value of a is 4 plus value of an is nothing but a12 37, which is equal to, here 12 by 2 gives 6, 2 ones are 2 6 into 37 plus 4 gives 41. Multiplying 41 and 6, we get the value of S12, that is 6 ones are 6, 6 fours are 24. 246 is the answer. Next, fourth one, given A3 is equal to 15, S10 is equal to 125, find D and A10. Solution. Here A3 is equal to 15. A3 is equal to 15, that is n is equal to 3. Okay. Now let us write the formula for nth term of an AP. We have an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. That is value of n is 3. A3 is equal to a plus value of n is 3. 3 minus 1 into d. Value of A3 is 15 is equal to a plus 3 minus 1 is 2 into d. This is equation 1. Now S10 is equal to 125. For that, we have sum of first n terms formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here value of n is 10. N is equal to 10. That is S10 is equal to 10 by 2 into 2 into a plus value of n is 10. 10 minus 1 into d. That is S10 is equal to 10 by 2 is 5. 5 into 2a plus 10 minus 1 9 into d. Value of S10 is 125, which is equal to 5 into 2a plus 9 into d. Here these two terms are connected with multiplication sign, so when we shift this 5 to the left side, it goes to denominator. This implies 2a plus 9d is equal to 125 divided by 5. That is 2a plus 9d is equal to 5 2s are 10, 25, 5 5s are 25. This is equation number 2. For our convenience, let us multiply equation 1 by 2. It gives 2 into a 2a plus 2 into 2d 4d, which is equal to 2 into 15 30. This is equation number 3. Now let us subtract equation 2 from equation 3. We get here equation 3 is 2a plus 4d is equal to 30. Equation 2 is 2a plus 9d is equal to 25. Plus becomes minus, plus becomes minus, plus becomes minus. 2a minus 2a cancel. Minus 9d plus 5 plus 4d gives minus 5d. 30 minus 25 is 5. That is d is equal to 5 divided by minus 5. That is 5 ones are 5 ones are. That is common difference is minus 1. Now let us shift this, the value of d in equation 1, substituting the value of d in equation 1, we get equation 1 is a plus 2d is equal to 15. A plus 2d is equal to 15. When we substitute the value of d in equation 1, it becomes a plus 2 into minus 1 is equal to 15. That is a plus into minus, minus 2 is equal to 15. This is nothing but a is equal to 15. Let us shift this minus 2 to the RHS, it becomes plus 2. That is the value of a is 15 plus 2 equals 17. Next, to find the value of A10, first we need to write the formula for nth term. That is, we have an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now let us substitute all these values to this formula. That is, a value of n is 10 is equal to value of a is 17 plus value of n is 10 minus 1 into value of d is minus 1. Therefore A10 is equal to 17 plus 10 minus 1 is 9 into minus 1. that is a10 is equal to 17, plus into minus, minus 9 into 1 is 9, that is a10 is equal to, subtracting these two terms we get 8 as the value of a10.